Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Coinme. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinme.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Coinme website. Now right from the home page, to sign in to your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the login portal where you can enter your credentials to log into your account. Just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the sign in button, and then you will be logged into your account with Coinme. In case you forgot your password, you can simply click on forgot password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Coinme. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.